Direktur Neigrihms Profesor Dr. Nalin Mehta mentakasni ula pentim magate ke jaka puli ke badai ke hospital kadang bot di negajing temu ban penyo ya ke INI tag lebih ke Institute of National Importance tag.
Well, the institute has been working towards getting itself upgraded to the status of an Institute of National Importance, INI. And all relevant documents and representations and justifications have been provided to the ministry for the same. In fact, the ministry is also working on it, the Central Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And last time it had gone up to the level of having prepared the cabinet note. Unfortunately, because of elections being declared, and then things changed considerably. And there was another institute which was also in the same note. They had withdrawn. So the cabinet note had to be prepared afresh. So now probably it is being done. Neigrihms currently is plagued by deficiency of faculty members. Also, there are a few disciplines in which we do not have postgraduate courses. And if we get postgraduate courses in those disciplines, we will then have junior residents who become senior residents. And after they finish their senior residency, they get eligible to be faculty. And that way it will then reduce the deficiency of faculty that we have. So if we become INI, we have the autonomy or freedom to start our own postgraduate courses without depending on the clauses, some of them which are pretty restrictive, of the National Medical Commission, or without being dependent on the Northeast Hill University or NEHU, to whom we are affiliated. Because there is a lot of delay in their affiliation committee, because there is a process, there is a proper process that they follow, but at times because of their own issues, those processes get delayed. So we become an independent university in ourselves. So we give our own degrees. So there's a lot of time and effort saved if you become an INI. And of course, then there are very many other facilities and perks and incentives for the faculty and staff that come along with the INI status. Gives us freedom to work, gives us freedom to start more academic courses, and gives us freedom to serve the entire Northeast